Lesson 1.7, combining radicals, fractional exponents. So this kind of just is something that should already be known, but we'll just do two problems to make sure you know what you're doing. It says use the properties of exponents to determine the value of a for the equation. So remember, this really isn't solving an equation. It's simplifying this left side to be x to some new power. Might be a fraction, might come out to be a whole number. So exponent rules. We've got x squared raised to the 1/5. So right away I know that this is a power rule where I multiply straight across. So it'd be x to the 2/5 power times. Then I want to change a radical into an exponent with a fraction as well. So this would be x to the 3/5 power. Remember that this stays in the numerator, this becomes the denominator of the exponent. Now that I'm multiplying, I know that I'm trying to add a power, so that would be taking 2/5 plus 3/5, which is actually 5/5, which is 1. So this would be actually just x to the first power. You don't even need that normally, but since they're wanting a, you would just type in 1. All right, number 2. Kind of same setup. We have an exponent raised to a power. It's getting divided by a radical. So we would want to multiply 2 times 2 over 5 times 1, which would be 4/5 divided by x to the 1/6. So when we are dividing exponents, we remember that we should be subtracting the powers. I'm not so lucky this time. I don't have a common denominator. So my least common multiple of 5 and 6 would have to be 30. 5 times 6 makes 30. I'm trying to do my brackets and my 6 at the same time. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 gives you 30. 1 times 5 is 5. 24 minus 5 would be 19 30ths, which can't be simplified. So this is really x to the 19 30ths. So that is your a. So always take radicals and make them an exponent, and then just do exponent rules.